To get started with using EveryDollar savings goals, first log into your EveryDollar account and navigate to the Goals section. Here you will see a list of available savings goals, such as emergency funds, vacations, or paying off debt. Choose the goal you want to work towards and click on it to set it up. You will be asked to enter a target amount and a deadline for achieving this goal. For example, if you want to save for a vacation, you might set a target amount of $2,000 and a deadline of 6 months from now. Once you have set up your goal, EveryDollar will calculate how much you need to save each month in order to reach your target. This will be displayed in the Goals section of your account, along with a progress bar that tracks how close you are to achieving your goal. To make progress towards your goal, simply allocate money towards it in your monthly budget. You can do this by going to the Budget section of your account and adding a new line item for your savings goal. EveryDollar will automatically subtract the amount you allocate from your available income and add it to your goal progress. As you work towards your goal, be sure to regularly review your progress and adjust your budget as needed. You may need to make adjustments to your spending in other areas in order to free up more money for savings. It is also a good idea to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, so that you can ensure consistent progress towards your goal. Many banks offer this service, and it can help you stay on track and avoid the temptation to spend money that you have allocated for savings. By following these steps and staying committed to your goals, you can use EveryDollar to achieve financial success and make progress towards your savings goals. Remember to stay consistent, review your progress regularly, and make adjustments as needed to stay on track.